Ladies and gentlemen, we have the Norfolk Southern Geometry train right up about a mile away from us. I don't know if you can see it in the distance. I'm over here between East 4th Avenue, which is that one, and East 6th Avenue, which is that one over there. Yeah, these are coming down right now. And there she is. She's coming at a very slow pace. I think it's only 4 cars. Okay, not that slow. Geometry train, there it is. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very much for viewing, and please remember to like, subscribe, or share this video. Thank you very much.